Here's a guy singing on a subway in London. This person did 135 clicks in 10 seconds. This pilot was about to land this plane while a storm was happening in Austria, but then he decided not to. Here's a turtle just helping his friend out. This guy's head did not move all the way through these hurdles. Did you know that an octopus changes color while it's dreaming? Have you ever heard a turtle sneeze before?
That was him?
This groundhog was just enjoying his tomato. Thanks for watching the video. Really hope you enjoyed it. Please tell someone you love them, and I'll catch you in the next one. Nick a bit.